call back till they know that this is realization. I'ma hold back. Think they haven't in the matter to believe, to know that this is Jesus, now it's ever to be free. The destinies are told, but they ain't never seen the strength. I'm turning back to humbleness so you can see the tense. I'm waiting back for humble times, humble in the right. And they ain't never humble rise, humble in the safe. I'm thinking that it's matter to believe. It's matter that my law stands free to inconceive. And all of them can inconceive it, all of them can just it. And they ain't never touch it, cause it's never to be trusted. What you talk about, you ain't make back. And you ain't turn my rap, cause I can save that. They think they know the right, they think they know the prayer, they think they know the truth. You know I never swear, because it ain't my role, it ain't my time game. And what they dealing is a fine game. And fine rays, fine codes, fine ways, fine names, fine humbles. I don't know your gate, cause you're thinking that you know my rhyme. I'm on a new level, so you know that I've arrived. And I'll say it every day, cause this was in the truth, my son, I don't play. You feel that in the humble now? What you talk about now, you ain't feel now. And I believe this is ever be this can see Jesus, I know you're ever free. Now my son, come on, walk on my grace. I've been seeing in a bunch of live bass, and all of them can try and place, but they ain't never humble my grace. You trust this, but they ain't seeing my toes. The toil that the rich man makes is foretold, that there will be nothing in the dirty ground. They ain't never shift nothing. And I wait, I strive, I move up daily. I wait, I strive, and I do not fear thee. I'm walked down, never that hold me down. The sun's right there, and I'm holding this crown.